Can you look for the book Intelligent Investor on Amazon and add it to my cart? Let's see if it works. It has opened the correct book. Yes, it has successfully added the book to the cart.
I successfully added The Intelligent Investor to your cart on Amazon. Is there anything else you need help with?
Hi everyone, Haseeb here. Welcome back to my channel. As you have seen the demo, I have created the clone of OpenAI agent, which is called Operator. And I have created this project with the help of completely free library. It's called Browser Use, and it's completely open source. You can just use it. And what the cool feature I have added with the Browser Use is that I'm using OpenAI real-time API. So with the help of that, you can interact with the project with your voice commands in real time. So without wasting any time, let me show you the architecture of the project I have built. I'm using real-time API, and real-time API I'm using the model GPT-4o, and it's connected with the help of WebSockets. And OpenAI real-time supports the capabilities of function calling. So as soon as you talk with the agent in real-time API with your voice, it recognizes that if the user wants to use the browser, so that's called function calling. And I have integrated browser use in the function calling, and I'm using Gemini 2.0 for the browser use. Browser use requires multi-model LLM. You can use GPT-4o, but I'm using Gemini 2.0 in this project because it's a lot cheaper as compared to GPT-4o, and it was providing good results as compared to GPT-4o. You can use GPT-4o if you are struggling to get the API key for Gemini 2.0. So let me show you how to set up the project in your local machine. The first step is to please make sure that you use Python 3.11 or higher version, because browser use does not support older version. So once first step is to just clone the project in your local machine. I have already cloned this, and the next step is to create the virtual environment in your project. Let me create it. Okay, after the environment is created, you have to activate it. The benefit of virtual environment is that all of the dependencies and the packages you will install regarding this project will be just installed in this directory, not in the global machine. So it helps in that, and we have to install all of the dependencies required for the project. Just run this command. In the requirements.txt, these are all of the packages you need to run this project. Please make sure that you use this specific version for WebSockets. Meanwhile, it's being installed. You need to create .env file to run this project. I have created here. Just copy this and paste the API keys. If you don't have Gemini API key, you can completely use only this OpenAI API key. The thing you need to do is go to browser tool, and in the agent.py just replace this LLM with this, and it will automatically work for GPT-4o, but I'm using Gemini 2.0 here. And after that, you have also created .env, and to run this project, just run this command. It will take little time for the first time to start. Okay, it has started. So let me show you the logs too, that how it works. Okay.
If there's anything specific you need, just let me know.
Can you look for the price of iPhone 16 Pro from official website in UK? Okay, here it goes. Let's see if it returns the price now.
According to the official Apple UK website, the starting price for the iPhone 16 Pro is £999. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
No, thank you. So let's just close it and let me give you the overview of the project, how it's working. So the main.py file is, you can say, the main entry point to the project. Here you can see I'm using this URL for the real-time API, and here the WebSocket connection is being made. For all of this session instruction and silence threshold, I have created this config.py file. This is the prompt for the assistant. You can read it, and these are all of the settings, config variables for the assistant, the real-time API. And for the assistant, these are the modules that are being used for the microphone, audio, and the logs that are being generated here. And same for the visual interface. The interface you were seeing, the way I was interacting was this. And this is an important file, the WebSocket handler. So let me show you in the main.py file. I have added this function here in the tools variable while creating the real-time API. So as you can see, I have added the description for the tool. So during the WebSocket, as soon as we receive the response from OpenAI, we check is the tool being called. Here I have added the condition. So I'm checking if the tool browser use is being called, then I will call this function I have added, where you can see here in the browser tool folder and agent.py. Here all of the browser use functionality is being happening. So as soon as from OpenAI we receive the command that call the browser, then this function is being run, and I'm using Gemini 2.0, and then agent is being run, and the real-time API waits for the agent to complete all of the tasks and gets the response. You can also see the logs above here. You can see this here. This is the result we get from browser use, and then real-time API gives us the response that this happened with the help of the browser use. And so this was the overall project. It's really simple to use, and make sure you try. And if you I have tried to make sure that everything works simply, and you just need to add the API keys. So do try it yourself, and do let me know in the comment section how it goes. And you can message me on LinkedIn so I will add the links in the description, so if you need any help. So thanks for watching the video, and do let me know. Bye.